YouTube handle finally launch. Hello guys, welcome back to Android Tips YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how you can create or set up YouTube handle. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So today just YouTube had roll out a new features, that is how you can add a username on I mean how you can add a username on YouTube channel. So here in the name of handle it has just launched. So to set up your username or handle on YouTube, you just need to go to your email and you will receive a mail from YouTube. Just tap on it and then this type of interface will be pop up. So what you need to do here is that scroll down and you have to click on choose a handle. Simply you need to click on it and then it will redirect you to a page. Here you can see, just hold on, you can see here this type of interface will pop up. So here you can see change handle. If you click on change handle, then you will be able to change the handle here. So if you want to create a new handle, you just need to create example. Let me just give my name. Okay, and let me just put 1 2 3 and then click on confirm selection. Okay, just hold on for some second and here you can see my username is this one. So in this way you can change your you can set up your handles on YouTube. So guys, you click on got it option, and if you want to change again, just click on I mean this change handle. If you want to change it, just click on and you can edit. So this is a very good update from YouTube. I hope you really like the video, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.